Hi guys, the Seafood Cook here and welcome to another video. Today we're going to do an hake with honey, chili and ginger sauce, and we're also going to be talking a little bit about hake and where it comes from. Okay, so the ingredients for the sauce are spring onions, chilies, ginger, garlic, coriander, honey, sea salt, cumin and ground coriander. Okay, so as you can see I've just cut the stalk off there and we're just going to cut down like that. Some people don't like to use these, but they carry a lot of flavour. So we'll just continue to cut them, and we're just going to do the same for the other one. Right, so with the chilli, what we're going to do, just cut the stalk off there, and to make it easier to cut, we're just going to flatten it, like that. Start from the bottom and do the same. Like that, and we'll do the same for the other one as well. Now, with the ginger, before we grate it into the pan, we're just going to peel half of it, like that. If you have a peeler at home, obviously it'll be a lot easier for you, but I'm just using my turning knife. Like that. And we're just going to grate that end into the pan. So if you're using a traditional kitchen grater, it's better to use the thinner side on the back, so we're just going to pop that into there, like that. Cut it there, by the way. So moving on to the garlic, I'm going to show you the best way to cut it and peel it. Cut both the ends off like that, not all the way, and it will leave this nice little bit there. And you use that bit to get around the peel of the garlic, and then what we're going to do is we're just going to crush it with the back of the knife and cut. I'm going to keep cutting until we get those nice fine small pieces. So with the ingredients in this sauce, it can be very versatile. So if you like plenty of garlic, you can add more. If you like more ginger, you can add more, especially with the chili and the spring onion. Lastly, we're just going to chop the coriander. There can be many ways you can do this and find easier ways. Some people find it easier just to go straight in with this. Always remember when you're cutting it to sort of give it a turn as well. Now everything's into the pan, we're just going to add a pinch of sea salt, a little bit of cumin, and a tiny bit of ground coriander. So now all the ingredients together, we're just going to sweat it off with a bit of white wine. I'm using a Tonks wine, it's a Mitch Tonks and Mark Hicks white wine. It's produced in Portugal and it's brilliant with seafood. So as you can see, it's all cooking nicely. What we're going to do is just add the honey. Brilliant, so now that the sauce is all ready, we're just going to get the hake ready before it goes into the hot pan. I'm just going to put a little bit of olive oil on there and just a sprinkle of seasoning on top. So before we cook the hake, I just want to talk a little bit about it. It is MSC certified, and that is the Marine Stewardship Council. And what that means is by catching the fish, it's actually sustainable and we're not endangering the species by doing so. So now that the pan's nice and hot, I'm just going to add the hake, skin side down. Okay, so now you've cooked it for 3 to 4 minutes on this side, we're just going to flip it over and cook it for another 3 minutes. Perfect, so now that you've cooked it for an extra 3 minutes, what we're going to do is we're just going to plate it up. And lastly, what we're going to do is just pop the sauce on top, like that. Put an extra bit on there. Squeeze a lemon. Serve it like that. So there we go guys, that's my hake with honey, chili and ginger sauce. Thank you for watching, tune in to the next one.